Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file LLC taxes step by step, only way. Start by confirming your LLC classification and chosen tax election, then gather income and expense records, Form 1099, and employer payroll details. Identify deductible business expenses and separate personal transactions. Set aside funds for estimated taxes and payroll liabilities. Consider using accounting software or a tax professional to prepare returns and avoid common mistakes while staying organized. In this video, I will explain how to file LLC taxes step by step, only way. Collect the specific tax forms your election requires, including Schedule C, Form 1065, Form 1120S, and payroll forms like Form 941. Reconcile bank statements and cross-check Form 1099 with contractor payments. Complete depreciation schedules and attach supporting documents. Verify EIN details and owner allocations before filing electronically to reduce processing delays and errors. In this video, I will explain how to file LLC taxes step by step, only way. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, I love these leak-proof meal prep containers shown earlier. They make weekday lunches easier and less stressful. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab them too. Then now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to file LLC taxes step by step, only way. Calculate net business income after allowable deductions, then figure self-employment tax and income tax liabilities. Make quarterly estimated payments based on projected annual income to prevent penalties. Factor in payroll taxes if you have employees and adjust withholdings when needed. Use worksheets or tax software to model scenarios, and consult a tax advisor for complex allocations or multi-state filing issues to stay compliant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.